This is Twit.
This is like the worst headline ever, but it's awesome. It's the subject is it's a great headline. No insult to anybody with The Verge, but it's awful. An awful thing that it's saying. Apple confirms some iPad Pros ship slightly bent, but says it's normal. Now, before you get,
is it like you're holding it wrong? Is that how this is? This one of those again?
It could be. Apple actually admitted to The Verge that some of those 2018 iPad Pros, they have, quote, a very slight bend in the aluminum chassis. But this is a side effect of the manufacturing process, and shouldn't change its performance, shouldn't get worse, and Apple, most importantly, does not. Look at that. It's not square. It's not true.
I think it should be straighter than that. I mean, I hate to be picky, but it's an expensive thing. It should not come out of the box. I mean, I can. The counter to this is, yes, there are fools out there that are getting these things and doing videos where they're folding them in half and stuff like that. And look, it's not meant to be that strong, but it should come out of the box straight.
Yeah.
You see what I don't think that's too much to ask. Especially from. Yeah.
No, apparently it's I'm going to quote. I'm going to quote Chris Welch from The Verge on this. Quote, "The bend is a result of a cooling process involving the iPad Pro's metal and plastic components during manufacturing, according to Apple," end quote. I can hear the Master Chief's mind grinding on that right now.
That's obvious. I mean, just look. You don't even have to look down the edge, which might be being kind of picky. I mean, that's like, unless that's a lens distortion from the picture, that's obviously a bend. Yeah. It's crooked. I mean, like, come on, they got to do better than that.
Yeah.
I wouldn't imagine. I couldn't hear Johnny Ive's voice. Talking about this precision bend in this thing and how it was, every detail was paid such attention to and that sort of thing. I mean, this is not, not from Apple. Apple usually makes straight devices that don't come bent out of the box.